I'm Microsoft Sam. And today, I will be reading the disclaimer, because SPC Cleveland 3891 wants an unlady voice doing it. Anyway, this video is owned by the property of SPC Cleveland 3891. Profanity, although censored to the best of my ability, will also be present in this video. Seriously, if you can't handle it, just leave, because, if you're gonna be on my case about it, then you. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 123, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Tuscarawas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.